Hey guys, welcome to another 9 to 5 dividend investing video. I am Mike, and in today's video we'll be talking about my brand new position, ticker symbol DFS or Discover Financial. So guys, yes, I added another financial stock to my portfolio. I am kind of heavy on the financials, and I really thought this was a great buying opportunity for Discover, down 10% in one day. I'm really not 100% sure why. We're going to go over one of the reasons why I think and why a lot of analysts think. We're also going to go over their dividend. We're going to take a look at this company. We're going to take a little bit of a deep dive into Discover Financial right now and why I added it to my portfolio. But guys, this is 9 to 5 dividend investing. I am not a licensed professional. If you need help investing in the stock market, please seek a licensed professional. So guys, let's discover. So guys, here it is. Discover Financial Services, through its subsidiaries, operates as a direct banking and payment service company in the United States. The banking segment offers Discover branded credit cards to individuals and other customer products and services, including private student loans, personal loans, home equity loans, and other consumer lending, as well as deposit products such as CDs, money market, savings, checking, and individual retirement arrangement certificates of deposit. The payment services segment operates the Plus network, an automated teller machine, debit and electronic funds transfer network, and provides an acceptance services and Discover network that processes transactions for Discover branded credit and debit cards, as well as provides payment transaction processing and settlement services. The company was incorporated in 1986 and is based in Riverwood, Illinois, with over 16,000 employees. It was founded in 1986, and as we said, is located in Riverwood, Illinois. And as we could see here, currently the stock price is $76.29 with one day fall of over 11%, gained a little bit back post-market. But as we see, Discover Financial Services had a bad day. So before we get into things, we got to see why shares were down with Discover on Friday. We turn to the Motley Fool's. Lou Whiteman wrote, even though Discover Financial reported fourth quarter earnings of $2.25 per share on a revenue of $2.94 billion compared to Wall Street expectation of $2.24 per share in earnings on sales of $2.95 billion. The company's charge-off rate of 3.19% was up 11 basis points year over year, and Discover raised its provision for loan losses in $836 million from $799 in the third quarter and $800 million in the fourth quarter of 2018. Yes, Discover did beat earnings, but for the real reason, we got to look at Discover management on a post-earnings call with investors said to expect expenses to remain on the upswing in 2020 as the company focuses on marketing the brand and building its technology. Chief Financial Officer John T. Green said that Discover expects those investments to pay off over time, but admitted there could be some lag in that payoff. So what does this mean? This means that Discover is trying to make spending on growing. Guys, yes, they admit that it's going to take a little bit longer than they thought. And with the way the economy is looking right now, people are very cautious. As you could see, I believe that gave me personally a buying opportunity for DFS or Discover Financial Services. Because people get scared when management talks like that. Yes, we believe that this will pay off in the future, but as of right now, it's not. And that's the problem sometimes with investing. A lot of investors or short-term buyers will see that and get scared and sell out of the stock because in the short term, you may be going down. But as long as you remain steady long-term, I believe Discover will be a good buy in the future. So let's get into some more about Discover Financial Services. So guys, as we see here, we have the Discover Global Network. And what they do, as we said before, we have the Discover Network, the Plus, the Diners Club, and they kind of combined everything with other providers and aligns with other partners and make it possible so you could use your Discover card and wherever. Further, we have checking account, savings account, retirement, personal loans, student loans, home equity loans. They do it all. They are a bank as well, as we could see. Besides what we all think of them as is just simply credit cards. You got the Discover Cashback card, Discover Chrome card, Discover Miles, Discover It Secure card. Many different ways you could use Discover and have Discover in our life. So guys, let's take a look at Discover's dividend. Here we take a look at Discover Financial's dividend summary. Thanks to Seeking Alpha. I'm going to link them in the description. Another great website. Do all your research with a dividend yield, a forward dividend yield of 2.31%, annual payout of $1.76, payout ratio of only 19.62%. Very nice right there. Plenty of room to grow with a 5-year growth rate of 12.80% and dividend growth of 9 years. The last dividend amount was in 44 cents, declared on 1/21/20, an ex-dividend date of 2/19/20, record date of 2/20/2020, and a payout date of 3/5/2020. Yes, unfortunately, I did miss the declared date, but that's okay. We will catch it on the next swing, and they do pay their dividend quarterly. So, guys, again, on Friday, January 24th, DFS or Discover Financial Services announced earnings per share beat of 1 cent. Revenue was in line. Discover Financial Services with a Q4 GAAP earnings per share of $2.25 with a beat by 1 cent. A revenue of $2.94 billion, which is up 4.6% year over year. That was in line with analyst expectations. And of course, here we see when they first announced, shares were down 4.48%. But overall, they went down over 10% yesterday. And again, a buying opportunity for me. So as we see here, the dividend growth history as of right now is 44 cents quarterly. The ex-dividend date, again, 2/18/2020. But 5 years ago was 28 cents. So we got a nice steady growth of dividends from 28 cents all the way to 44 cents quarterly. And again, it's only a 90% payout ratio, which is excellent. So guys, again, some news from yesterday when they announced their earnings. Discover Financial at this time now slumped 9.6% after operating expense guidance comes in higher than expected, and 2 analysts downgrade the stock. We all know my opinion on analysts. They downgrade when they want to buy it, in my opinion, sometimes. But let's not get into that right now. Evercore ISI analyst John Pancrati, I hope I'm saying that right, cuts his rating on Discover Financial Services to underperform from in line with the $75 price target, while Piper Sandler analysis Kevin Barker cuts the stock to neutral from overweight. Barker trims his price target to 86 from 96. CarCatch, I hope I'm saying that right, called today's stock move, while these investments may benefit Discover Financial Services competitively over the longer term, we don't believe they will be well received and expect underperformance near term. So guys, that's why I started buying Discover. I believe they're going to be a great company long term. Further, the expenses guidance implies growth of 7 to 12% versus a consensus estimate of 3.8% and a negative operating leverage. So guys, the operating expense for Discover right now, people did not like it. Hence why the stock went down over 10% in one day. Me, I looked at it. I've been looking at Discover. I wanted to buy it in the past. I just didn't have the capital to put into it at the time, or I saw other buying opportunities. And finally, yesterday, I went, this is ridiculous, and put some money in Discover Financial Services. Guys, make sure you hit like, subscribe below. I will link in the bottom. Seeking Alpha. Check it out. Great, great website in order to do some of your research there. And guys, this is 9 to 5 Dividend Investing. Check me out on Facebook, Twitter. Check me out on Instagram. Make sure to like, subscribe everywhere. And remember, guys, it pays to like and subscribe. And of course, it pays to Discover, and it's going to pay me a very, very handsome dividend because we are here for the long term. So, guys, this is 9 to 5 Dividend Investing. Keep it here and dividend invest.